Fine. This is problem number 3. Fine. Jan had 2.5 cake. His friends ate 1/2/3 of the cake. How much of the cake is left? This is simple fraction subtraction. What you can do is, you can represent like this. Jan had 2.5 cake and his friends ate 1/2/3. Simplifying this, you are going to get the answer. Let me simplify it. See, this is they have given in terms of mixed fraction. We are supposed to convert it into improper. Let me convert it. 2 2s are 4. That is, you need to multiply here and you need to add it here. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. This will become 5/2 minus 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 2 5. 5/3. Right. Take a LCM for 2 and 3. The LCM for 2 and 3 is 6. So 6. Right. 2 3s are 3 5s are 15. Minus 3 2s are 6, so 2 5s are 10, so which is nothing but 5/6. So 5/6 of the cake is left. The answer here is 5/6.